Inside the Magic, covering Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, and more.
What's up everybody, I'm your host Michelle Contreras and welcome to ITM's Trailer Talk, a brand new series where we get to discuss all things movie trailers, their rumors, and more. On today's episode, we're going to be getting just a little villainous and getting to know the evil and infamous fairy queen Maleficent.
Mistress, I have a little bit of news.
Don't ruin my morning.
Disney has finally released their long-awaited trailer for Maleficent 2, Mistress of Evil, and has given us a brand new look at Miss Angelina Jolie. So what does the new trailer tell us? It seems that Jolie is going full evil in the sequel, set several years after the live-action reimagining of Sleeping Beauty. It appears that Maleficent doesn't like the idea of Aurora wanting to marry Prince Phillip. Classic mom move. Love doesn't always end well, she says, but Aurora, like any other love-driven teenager, doesn't listen to her, causing Maleficent to get in contact with the prince's mother, Queen Ingrith. Mockingly, Ingrith says, now she will finally get the love of a real mother. Tonight, I consider Aurora my own. Bad move. Just maybe. But is Queen Ingrith all that she seems? It sounds as if Maleficent 2's story follows the same style as the first film and will house these ideas of love and loss within its expected big and magical moments. This new trailer dives deeper into this growing conflict. According to Disney's summary, Maleficent and Aurora are pulled apart to opposing sides in a great war, testing their loyalties and causing them to question whether they can truly be family. A trailer stinger reveals that Maleficent may have her own family history to deal with, as several other members of her species show up for the fun. Besides this, it continues to explore the complex relationship between the Horned Fairy and the soon-to-be Queen as they form new alliances and face totally different obstacles in their struggle to protect the Moors and the magical creatures that reside within this magical kingdom. Though many think that the bad blood between them will be returning, it turns out that Queen Ingrith might be the villain this time around. Now let's hear what the stars have to spill.
We're here also for Maleficent, and we're on our second film. And now we have Michelle Pfeiffer and Chiwetel with us and many other great actors, and we've expanded the story, and Aurora, Elle has grown up, Aurora has grown up, and it's a new chapter, a new day, and I think we've made we've done our best with the sequel.
Well, this is my first time here at this event, and it was really great to hear the audience's reaction to the clip and to these characters. They seem to be really excited to see the film. The first one was so wonderful, and this was an interesting part, and I was super excited to work with Elle and go toe-to-toe with Angelina. That was exciting.
Now that we've got a glimpse from the characters, let's hear what the fans have to say about the upcoming sequel.
Me. Disney doesn't need any more live-action remakes. Also me. Oh my god, I need 18 more Maleficent films by yesterday. Don't get me wrong, the trailer looks awesome, and I'm excited about finally seeing the sequel. But in my opinion, if they said there was another creature, they shouldn't have revealed there were more like her. If it remained a mystery, the hype would have been bigger. At least it's my opinion. I feel like I already watched the entire movie watching this trailer, but at the same time, I feel like I know nothing. Maleficent has people, and they just let her rot when some scummy human cut her wings off? I find it super interesting to see things from Maleficent's point of view. This film looks terrifyingly gorgeous.
It seems as though the audience are at odds just as much as the leading ladies are. Now, what are your thoughts on the trailer? Let us know in the comments below. Alright you guys, that's all we have for today's episode, but stick around. You do not want to miss the next one. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to get notifications for every time we post, and let us know down below in the comments what you would like to see us cover next. Who knows, your comment might just be featured in our next video. Don't forget to stay in touch and follow us across all social media platforms, all of which you can find right below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and on behalf of ITM, we wish you all a magical day, evening, wherever you are in the world, and we'll see you all next time.